ready.
Hudson, you want a cookie? You be shy? Good dog. Can you sneeze? Good girl. You can have a little bit. She has to strain for that. Hudson, what's a big dog say? Big! Big! Big dog! Big!
She
What's a big dog say?
not know what she's supposed to be doing.
Good girl. What's a little dog say? Good girl. Can you sing? Sing. Good girl. What's a big dog say? You're so cute anyway. Oliver's so short. Oliver, you had your cookie. I'm making Hudson work for it. Hudson.
Wait. Give something to Oliver.
Okay. Hudson's like, God damn it. Be shy. Be so shy. Are you so shy? Be so shy. Too shy. Too shy.
Too shy.
Yeah, that's
Hush,
what
hush. Eye
Too
to
shy.
eye.
What?
She loves Kaja Gugu.
Alright, Hudson, you're a good dog.
You are so neglected all the time.
Look at that face.
Look at how
Look at
put
that
up on
face.
she is. Life's been hard for me. You're a sad German woman. That's what you are.
Alright. Let's go look at the pictures. Goodbye, video.
With like drool spots.